Members of the La Crosse City Council are meeting with the community to discuss the possible addition of a new city position. First News at 9's Dash Menzel shares why there's a differing of opinion on whether this should happen.
The City Administrator Working Group is meeting with La Crosse community members to discuss the group's plan to add a city administrator. The meeting is the first of several scheduled where community members can share their thoughts about the possible addition of the position. Councilwoman Crosse says she appreciates the opportunity to communicate with those who live in La Crosse.
A lot of this is getting the word out to the public, letting them know, get on the website, take the survey, get informed, because this is a big decision and can impact the city greatly.
Kalo says one of the reasons the City Administrator Working Group wants a city administrator is because the mayor has a lot to focus on, with state and federal issues being a priority.
I think it's really hard to expect a person who's elected to know all of that and to be able to have the skills and knowledge for that without the training and education.
La Crosse resident Greg Pepin says the administrator's planned salary of around $190,000 that will come out of the city's regular operating budget is too expensive.
You're looking at additional staff, you're looking at additional office costs, you're looking at potentially a search committee, and then those costs add up. And what does that mean on a going forward basis? I think that there's still a lot of unanswered questions there.
While he isn't leaning towards the decision, Pepin encourages people to come out to future sessions to hear what people with other opinions have to say.
It opened my eyes to maybe some of the benefits to the position. I think I'm leaning against it for a number of reasons, but it was a good discussion, and I think all points of view were represented today.
The City Council will vote on the addition of a city administrator in February. In La Crosse, Dash Menzel, First News at 9.
For more information on the administrator position and dates of future meetings, you can visit the City of La Crosse's website.